Namaste people. So we are going to continue our series and we're going to see how to read the data from the table that we created and inserted some value into. So before that, let's just add a couple more values. I just added one Abhishek in India. Let's have a Rahul who also lives in India. Let's run this again. So inserted, and then let's have a Rajat. So we have 3 rows. Now we'll have 3 rows. Right, so we have 3 rows now. We can comment this out and we can create the function for fetching. Now to create a function of fetching, let's have it as a public function. It will return void and read data. Okay, and the parameters will of course be the connection and the table name. And we'll do it very similarly. We'll create a statement and we won't initialize it for now, just declare it. Have a try catch block, and print the exception if there is some. Right, so here now we can make a query. So a string of query will be equal to string.format. Again, I'm using format because I prefer that. You can use the overload operation as well. So that would be select star from %s, right? And then it will be the table name. That should be good. Now we'll initialize the statement using con.create statement, and then statement dot execute update. We won't use this time. We need the execute query because we actually need some output from there. It will return a result set. So we actually need to declare a result set rs, which will initially be null, and here it will put the value in rs. So the statement will execute the query, get the result, and put it in the result set. So a result set is basically an output of the query and it comes into that format, and result set is basically an iterable. So if you ever worked with iterable in any language, C++ or Java, you'll know how to use this. So we'll use a while loop to iterate it and check if it has a next value. So it will be iterated to the next value and we can just print it. Then print the value of the iterable. We will use println and rs dot get string, and the string name will be initially, let's just have it as empid, and we'll just have some space after this. Let's copy and paste this 2 more times. But here this time it will be name, and here this time it will be address, and the last one will be println. So for the next row it will go into the next line. So iterable, what it does is basically for every row it will print the empid name and the address, and since the last one is println, since print line, the next row will be printed in the next line. So I guess this should be enough. I don't think there's anything left on this, right? Yeah, there's nothing left, so we can read the data. Yeah, dp dot read data, and the connection object is this, and then the table name is employee. Let's run this. Let's see if this works. Yeah, so we get the three rows. Abhishek India, Rahul India, Rajat India, those were the three. So Abhishek India was from the last tutorial and Rahul and Rajat just did in front of you guys. So this is working very nice. So in the next video we'll see how to maybe update. Let's make the next video as update. So we'll see how to update the data in the table in the next video. Thank you so much.